Okay, nandito na tayo sa Sabang. Tatawid tayo dyan. Luyo. Hello mga kasenyor, nandito ulit tayo sa Puerto Princesa. Ika-4 na araw na natin community-based tourism ng Tourism Promotions Board, and we are very excited to explore today the Puerto Princesa Underground River. So gusto natin mapuntahan ang isa sa pinakamagandang river sa buong mundo. This is part of the new Seven Wonders of the World, and we are excited to do this again. So tara na, samahan niyo na kami as we go on a Puerto Princesa Underground River Tour. Let's go!
So, bago po tayo nagkaroon ng 7 natural wonders, meron tayong 7 wonders of the world. Sino makapag...
On the way to Puerto Princesa Underground River, 80 kilometers, 1 hour and a half biyahe. Maganda na yung kalsada ngayon. tayo sa Sabang. Naku, bus-bus na yung dumating. Dami ha. Dahil kasing ano, natin nahinto. Si Cherry, may biyahe pala dito si Cherry.
Meron po.
Okay.
Arkilado po isang bus.
Okay lang, ang dami ha. Ito na yung Sabang. Dito. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Sabang. Tatawid tayo dyan. Ilang araw din hindi natuloy dahil malakas ang alon. Pero mukhang okay na ngayon. Sabang Beach. Ito yung registration area. Parking, registration, andito lahat. So makikita nyo talagang maaga, sabay-sabay nagdadatingan at naghihintay na kanilang turn para sumakay ng bangka. Yan o. Yan yung mga sasakay. Kanya-kanyang hintayan yan. Yan, papunta yun doon sa likod. Waiting for a boat, ang daming tao. Hit na hit pa rin ng underground river. Maraming tourist dito. Medyo maulan ngayon sa Sabang. Number 78, doon tayo sa sakay. So, dito na tayo. At biyahe na tayo papunta sa underground river. Sabang, boat number 78. So you have to take the boat to go to the subterranean part. So ready na ba ang team The Dome or Team Panginoon?
Team Panginoon.
Team Panginoon.
Team
So,
DOM.
Team DOM. So we will be going so mga 15 minutes lang yung boat ride, 15 to 20 minutes. Depende dito sa alon. Ilang araw na nakasa pero malakas ang alon. Ngayon naman maulan. So we're hoping to get there immediately. So dapat naka-live vest, very important. And then mag-take mo pa rin pagdating doon sa may pila ulit pagdating doon sa national park. Maulan. Dami ng mga bangka, oh. Ganyan karaming interested sa Puerto Princesa Underground River.
Meron pa yung dyan lang dito. Nakakatagkat sa...
Ulan pa rin. Ito lang. Ayan na, dito tayo mag-upisa. Dito tayo maglalanding. Landed, ito na ang ating mga kasama at marami pa rin nagdadatingan. Let's go here. Medyo maulan. Datingan pa rin ang mga bata. So we just arrived dito sa may Underground River entrance at mukhang mababasa tayo talaga dahil umuulan yun. So doon nagpa-picture na tayo doon. Ito yung picture natin. Tingnan nyo na lang. And we're excited. At tara, ibutin na natin ulit ang gusto kong binabalik-balikan. Yung signage. Maulan. Swinging in Puerto Princesa. Proceed na tayo sa cave entrance. Kailangan daw natin magsuot ng hard hat. Ito pala.
Paki-adjust na lang po para pumasok sa mga ulo. Ito ay talaga force labor, construction work po ito.
Importante naka-hard hat tayo. Papasok tayo sa puerto. Naka-hard hat na tayo. Para mga DPWH yan. DPWH, pasok na!
Yung campaign period po ng Seven Wonders is from 2007-2011. And then 11-11-11, November 11 of 2011 was where it was officially named as one of the 7 natural wonders of the world.
Gusto dito, di ba? Yung
Underground River, new 7 wonder of nature. 11-11-11. Nasa loob tayo ng jungle. Again, protected area to. Hindi pwedeng pumutol ng puno. Ilagyan ng harang ng blue bed para meron papasok at saka palabas. Dami ng mga foreigners. Very happy. And tourists continue to enjoy the natural wonder of Palawan. Ito yung mga friendly pets natin. Medyo malapit na tayo. Malapit lang naman. Pero mga 200 meters lang na may lalakarin. And then nandito na yung mouth ng Underground River. Dito tayo maghihintay na ating turn. Na yung bunganga ng Underground River. Hintayin natin na ating turn. Yan, sasakay. Nakapila tayo. Yung ating grupo.
Kabila tayo.
Mga naghihintay na. Okay. Papasakay na tayo. Yun ang papasukin natin. Yung unit ng dito. Pasukin natin.
Mga bago, may mga
And then,
audio guides.
everybody, let me just introduce to you your cave guide. This is Nolan. He will be your cave guide. Siyempre magsasagwan ng 3 kilometro, 1.5 going in, 1.5 going out. Okay?
Okay, by the way, ma'am, sir, again po, ako po yung boatman nyo at the 45 minutes. Pangalan ko po, Nolan. Okay, yung tour po natin, 45 minutes at 1.2 kilometer.
Yun niyo po yung tour, ha?
Natin, ano po siya, mahapdi. Snake.
May snake, oh. Ito snake.
Wag po kayo kasi hindi po
Ano yan?
Sawa.
Ay, may sawa, oh. Sawa. Oh my God. Sawa.
po yung tour natin at 1.2 kilometer. Okay, babalik na po tayo. Kung nakikita niyo po, yung Bagat Highway, binabanggit sa order, papunta po yun ng Rockfry, ito yung extended route. Kung tutuloy po kayo sa 4.3 kilometers, magiging po 3 or 4 hours. Sa 4.3 kilometers po yun. Pwede po makikita yung dito na yung logo, or signal, or selection po siya. And then may part na pwede bumaba na po. Ano yun? Cross time. Yung mga crystal dito yung okay, babalik na po tayo. Ay, taas po agad ng paano mo. thank God, we made it. Thank God, God bless. Congratulations everyone. Congratulations to our group. Finally, we are now a certified survivors. Survive. Salamat po.
Palabasan tayo.
Okay, thank you for coming. Thank you for visiting to Underground River Flow, one of the 7 wonders of nature. I hope you enjoy the tour, and I hope you appreciate the beauty of the nature. Hindi po ba kayo?
Yes.
Like it?
Yes.
Again, I'm your old man. My name is right away dito po yung part na to. Okay, sa left side po natin, we have another group picture po.
Sir, tingin ko dito, sir. Everybody smile, so lang po, tingin.
Give your
Isa
best
pong
smile.
thumbs up. Tapos kaway-kaway naman po dyan, oh. One more.
Yung baba po natin, ma'am, sir.
Thank you.
Okay na panahon. Thank you for coming din po.
Okay, next po, sir. Tingin ko muna kailangan.
Ako po yung unang bababa ha, para maalalayan ko po kayo ha. Kasi po, pag kayo po yung unang bumaba, ako po yung aalalayan nyo.
Unang bababa daw yung guide natin.
Ako po yung unang bababa.
So we're done with the underground river. 45 minutes of sheer appreciation of the wonder of nature. So kaya pala nakasama to sa 7 natural wonder of the world. At sobrang ganda talaga. So nakuha natin is mga less than 2 kilometers, but so far yun pa lang ang ganda-ganda ng ating mga nakita.
So this is the declaration for the whole St. Paul Mountain, declared as a National Geologic Monument. Okay? So ito po yung whole St. Paul Mountain. Okay? It is a very unique cave because underground river because this is at sea level. Yung ibang mga underground river po, yung outflow niya is on a different river. But this one is directly at sea, it is also at sea level. So you enter through the outflow. Yung tour niyo po hanggang dito lang. Yan, hanggang dyan lang. There is, you can also get a special tour. We call that a rock pile tour, where you can go up until 4.3 kilometers. Pero you would need a special permit for that. So 4 na oras po sa loob ng kuweba. Kung gusto nyo, yes po, back and forth. Almost 4 hours po yan, back and forth. Kung gusto nyo, if you come back soon, kung gusto nyo bumalik at you wanna do that special tour, pwede kayong kumuha ng special permit for that. Okay? Hanggang the Gypsum Gallery. Maaabutan nyo or makikita nyo yung fossil po ng sikaw or ng sirenya that's embedded in the ceiling of the cave po. Okay? So, yan po. The other side, we call that the daylight or we call that the inflow. Pero itong area na ito, this is already off limits to tourists. Usually, ang nakakapunta dito mga park ranger na lang. Or ano.
Anong labasan yan?
Dito po, sa likod doon, malayo man. Actually, madaanan natin pero hindi na natin makikita. Pero,
May
off
entrance
limits
din dyan.
po.
May entrance.
Pwede pong pumasok dito pero this is off limits to tourists po talaga.
Bawal.
So, mga park rangers lang talaga. Or if you may permit to do like scientific study, nabibigyan po ng permit. Pero just for leisure, off limits po talaga yung area because this is a protected area.
So yung bundok niyan, yan yung St. Paul.
Ito yung buong St. Paul Mountain. This is a solid limestone mountain. Now, kung matitingnan nyo ito, ito ay ano ng mga experts. Sabi daw nila that Palawan, 30 million years ago, chipped off from the Eurasian Plate. Ito yung Eurasian Plate, ito yung Vietnam, China na continent na isang malaking ano. So, it chipped off, bumaba. And then the rest of the Philippine Mobile Belt, galing po siya malapit sa group of islands from Indonesia. Dahan-dahang umaangat 30 million years ago. Kung nakikita nyo yung Luzon, nakatagilid pa. 15 million years ago, unti-unti na siya na pumaporma. And then the rest of the Philippine Islands ay humahabol. Pero kung mapapansin nyo, si Palawan, and then present Palawan, halos hindi gumalaw. Whereas the rest of the Philippines gumalaw din. Ang isang significance po dyan is wala tayong, dito sa Palawan, walang fault line. Wala tayong lindol dito sa Palawan. Whereas the rest of the Philippines, nakaraan lang, last month yata, nagkaroon tayo ng lindol halos from north to south of the Philippines. Pero hindi po naramdaman dito na Palawan dahil wala po tayong active fault line dito sa Palawan. So congratulations sa mga first timers. Congratulations, you have just witnessed one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Alright, maraming salamat. Pwede na tayong mag-exit.
Medyo tumila na ulan. Kaya na kanina maganda. Very challenging ang ulan. Sa UNESCO. This is Ramsar marker. Balik na tayo. Sakay ulit tayo ng bangka. Pabalik sa Sabang. Boat number 7. Malakas pa rin ang alon. So here we are, pasakay sa ating boat. Maalon. Pasakay ng alon. So nasa boat na ang Team TPB. And we're very happy to see finally uli ang 7 wonder of the world. The 7 wonder ang Puerto Princesa sa Subterranean River. Sabang marami pa rin padating, no? Medyo nawala na yung ulan. Ganda na ulit ng panahon. Ayun, hindi natin makita kanina. Pabalik na tayo ng Sabang. Doon yung Sabang. Sleeping dinosaur. Pila pa ang bababa. So maraming haba pa pila. Ito yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pag number 5 pa tayo. Parang ang airport sa dami ng turista. So we're back in Sabang. We're very happy to survive yung ginawa natin. Ang again, for the 4th time na bisita natin ng Puerto Princesa Underground River. Isa sa 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites na natural wonder talaga. Napakaganda dahil makikita mo na kung paano nakakatulong yung preservation ng ginagawa ng mga local government, ng municipality ng Sabang, ng city ng Puerto Princesa para pangalagaan ng kayamanan ng mundo na dito lang matatagpuan sa Pilipinas. So kung kayo ay nagbabalak, mamaya papakita ko yung detalye kung paano pumunta dito, magkano yung cost, ano yung mga dapat gawin para makita nyo ang underground river. Next, we're going to papunta tayo sa Taluyong. May kalsada na dati nilalakad natin yan sa may gilid ng Sheridan. Ito yung St. Paul's na mountain, diba?
Apa?
Ang ganda. Yan yung, ang ilalim niya yan yung ano, underground river. Kaya St. Paul Subterranean Park. So, may kalsada na papunta kay Daluyong. So, dati nilalakad lang natin sa tabi ng beach at namamaybay tayo. Ito meron na.
Abutan niya.
Yung mangrove area. Ito, papasok na tayo sa Sierra.
Tapos, ano pa doon?
Papasok na tayo sa Daluyong. Okay, ito na tayo sa Daluyong.
Sasabi siya sa likod mo.
Ha? Nandito sa Daluyong for lunch. Daluyong in English is storm surge. Okay. Ay, may program. Hindi kami prepared na may ganito. Hindi naman kami nakabihis, hindi kami sinabihan.
Magandang tanghali.
Pwede pong isa pa.
Mabuhay! Magandang tanghali po.
Welcome to the...
In sustainability for 18 years, and also the top 3 resort finalists in the Philippines by DOT. So it's just a short clip. This is actually an entry of TPB Tarsier Awards. So we would like to show it to everyone.
What makes Valuyon one with nature? Tagapangalaga, safeguard nature. Beyond the islands, Palawan's real treasure is Sabang, a protected sanctuary and home to the Puerto Princesa Underground River. The Valuyon Beach and Mountain Resort has spent 18 years safeguarding and sustaining this living heritage. Pag-living court, service.
Kasama kami ng Daluyong sa pagtaguyod ng inklusibo at makakalikasang turismo dito sa Sabang.
Ipagpatuloy, sustain. The Valuyon's mission to lessen its carbon footprint comes alive through being 100% solar energy powered. Room ventilation, a reed bed system, daylight tubular lights, think green gas reminders, and eco-friendly local construction materials. Proof that sustainability is at the heart of everything we do. Pamana, heritage. The Valuyon is a living gallery where Sabang's endemic animals and Palawan's culture are seen through the works of local artists. Pakikipagkapwa, togetherness. For the Valuyon, excellence goes beyond hospitality. It lives in building Sabang's local community and uniting its people. At Hikain, mission continues to make a lasting impact through meaningful corporate social responsibility that empower communities and inspire a shared spirit of compassion and unity.
Ay pa, siyo'y tumabang. Ang katuwang naman na kayo kami. Ultimong dalang tabang ang kami.
For 18 years, Valuyon has led, protected, and inspired Palawan and the Philippines toward a future of sustainable hospitality. A legacy for 2030.
One Valuyon, a sustainable legacy.
Educational tour po, we offer mangrove tour. Then, pag-adventure naman po, 100 Caves and Ugong Rock. Then, pag-relaxation, Sunset Bangka. And we also offer Filipino massage po.
Sarap.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Jed. I am one of the tour guides, DOT accredited tour guide of Puerto Princesa City. And isa ko sa mga tour guide that brings you and your experience at the underground river. So our underground river is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. So meron tayong 7. It became one of the 7 natural wonders back in November 11 of 2011. So that's 11-11-11. So yan lang po ang pagkakatandaan kung kailan siya naging 7 natural wonders of the world. And our underground river is the longest navigable underground river. 8 kilometers, 4.3 kilometers navigable. And of course, for your regular tour, that will just be 1.5 kilometer. But if you want to experience more of the underground river, you can get a special permit where you can do 4.3 kilometers, and that's going to be a 4-hour tour inside the cave. You'll get to see more of the limestone, a fossil of a sirenia that's embedded in the ceiling of the cave. Yan po. And then it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site as well, and the whole St. Paul Mountain is also declared as a National Geologic Monument. To get there are 2 ways. You can do DIY. You can also book your tours from one of the many travel agencies in Puerto Princesa. If you want to do DIY, you first have to get a permit from the Underground River Office located at Mendoza Park in the heart of the city of Puerto Princesa. And then you get a vehicle, so any type of vehicle. You can either ride a bus, ride a van, or you can rent a vehicle, or you can just book for a private van going to Barangay Kabuyugan, Sitio Sabang. Once you're there, you just go ahead, present your permit, pay for the boat, and then you can do your tour. Or if you want a hassle-free tour, all you have to do is just to book from one of the travel agencies. I prefer Corazon Travel and Tours and Travel Cart Tour Services. You can search them online, Facebook, or using Google as well. And we can book for your tour. All you have to do is just wait for the van to pick you up. And one of the many professional tour guides of Puerto Princesa will be the one to take care of you for the rest of your tour until you get to the underground river, until you get back home to your hotel or wherever you are situated in Puerto Princesa.
Can you invite people to come and visit?
Yes, of course. I would like everybody to invite, for those who have not visited Puerto Princesa, especially the underground river, where it is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Please do come, enjoy, and get to see the crown jewel tourist destination of Palawan, the Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park. Please do come, people from local in the Philippines, and of course people from abroad. Please come and visit us and enjoy and get to experience the city where nature begins and it never ends.
Hello mga kasenyor, dito pa rin tayo sa Sabang, dito sa Puerto Princesa, and we just finished conquering the Puerto Princesa Underground River or Subterranean River dito sa St. Paul, bundok ng St. Paul. We're very happy na nagawa uli natin to. This is our 4th time, and this time parang ang daming pagbabago. Unang-una, it's the road coming here is already well paved. So normally dati yung unang punta ko dito during the 1990s, ito kasi mga 4 to 5 hours at saka lubak-lubak at saka maalikabok. Ngayon napaka-smooth na ng kalsada. So from Puerto Princesa, 80 kilometers ang papunta ng Sabang. And then very smooth road, kaya dumating tayo in about 1 hour and a half na andito na tayo. Ang sabi sa atin, you can do DIY. May mga buses at saka mga vans naman from Puerto Princesa, at pwede kayong pumunta na directly sa Sabang. So yung cherry bus daw. And also you can book your tour doon sa may opisina mismo ng Underground River sa may Mendoza Park. So ilalagay natin yung detalye kung paano papunta dito. So pagdating natin ng Sabang mismo, doon mismo sa may port, naghintay lang tayo ng konti ang ating guide, inayos ang ating mga papeles, at sumakay na tayo kaagad ng bangka. So ang bangka can accommodate, sabi nila, minimum was 6 but can do as high as 10 person. So nakapila naman sila, very well organized. Tatawagin nyo yung number mo and you have to wear life vest. Ang life vest mo, nakalagay yung number ng boat mo. So nakapila lang naman sila dire-diretso. Medyo inabutan lang tayo ng ulan at medyo basa tayo ng konti ng papunta, but very smooth naman yung papunta natin. It's good na nag-resume yung araw nito, but dahil nasabi sa atin, mga 7 to 8 days nang kanselado yung biyahe ng papuntang Underground River dahil medyo malalakas yung mga alon. So ito kasi mga 20 to 30 minutes bago natin marating yung pinaka entrance ng Underground River Natural Park. Pagbaba natin, naghintay lang tayo ng konti at nag-picture-picture. And then, siyempre required talaga yung live vest is all throughout. Binigyan tayo ng helmet para protection dahil ito kasi National Park, tsaka alam natin na ito ay kuweba. And then pumila na tayo, naghintay lang tayo ng konti at sumakay na tayo doon sa bangka na papasok sa Underground River. So meron tayong guide na bangkero, but ang maganda dito, ngayon pala meron talagang yung parang headphone na nag-explain sa iyo. Meron ng recording na nag-explain ng bawat detalye ng Underground River. Ang Underground River pala ay isa sa 7 new wonders of the world na na-establish noong 11-11-11. So 2011 at nakita natin kung saan siya talaga kaganda, gaano siya kamangha, gaano ka well preserved yung mga makikita sa loob, iba-ibang mga stalactites at saka stalagmites at iba-iba pang mga formations na doon lang natin makikita sa loob ng kuweba. So natapos ang ating pagbiyahe at bumalik tayo at nag-picture-picture paglabas natin. Very well organized din, iba yung exit at ang ating guide explain pa talaga kung ano yung nilalaman ng nakuhang award ng Underground River. Pagkatapos bumalik tayo ng Sabang at pagkatapos noon pumunta naman tayo sa Doluyong Resort. Napakaganda resort. Kung yung nagbabalak na magstay sometime dito sa Puerto sa Sabang para hindi kayo nagmamadali, ang recommended ko yung sa Doluyong Resort dahil ito is eco-friendly. Ginagamit nila is solar power na at saka very conscious sila sa environment. So after noon, doon tayong kumain ng lunch. At ngayon, naandito na tayo, pabalik na tayo ng Puerto Princesa and ini-enjoy na lang natin ng moment at gumawa na tayo ng isang adventure pa, yung Sabang Mangrove Forest. May separate video tayo dyan para mapanood nyo. So with that, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa atin. I'm glad na nagawa uli na natin ng Underground River. I'm very happy kung gaano ka-organized na ngayon ang pagpunta dito from the time na mag-booking ka hanggang sa dumating ka, hanggang sa masaksihan mo ang isa sa pinakamagandang natural wonder sa buong mundo, ang Puerto Princesa Underground River. With that, maraming salamat sa panonood. Travel while you can. Until our next vlog. See you soon.